Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try these Stan's donuts. These are their raspberry dipped mini donuts. 100 calories per donut and 12 donuts per container. Here's their packaging right here. There you go. They were originally $7.99 and they were on clearance for $5.59. The $7 price mark seems too much. $5.59 sounds more fair. All right. These are raspberry, so we'll see how they are. The raspberry frosting is nice. It's not very strong though. I feel like they could have stepped up the raspberry flavor quite a bit. Stan's Donuts. I'll look and see if I can find Stan's Donuts online. If I can, I'll put a link. The inside of the donut is a little dry, but if these were fresher, it probably would be nice. It's a decent little donut. Taste it. I think the raspberry could be stronger though, but other than that, I think it's a nice little snack. Nice little donut. If you've ever tried any of Stan's Donuts, this brand, let me know what you thought of it.
It's pretty on point for raspberry.
Yeah.
For me, because then you get the taste
like
of the donut too.
I feel
so
like
it doesn't
you can
overpower
step it up. I want it overpowered.
You want to overpower,
raspberry.
but with it not being overpowered,
I want to get punched in the face with a raspberry.
Yeah, it blends well.
I want that flavor. Give it to me. But yeah, if you have not ever had Stan's raspberry dip donuts, let me know in general if you like raspberry, the flavor of raspberry flavored anything, or maybe raspberries just straight up. Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.